In today's episode, I'm going to be throwing it back to the old school. PS2, and the best two games that are on PS2, Spyro and Crash Bandicoot. Now I'm basically going to be freestyling it. I'm going to get some pictures up and just make sure that, you know, I have an idea of what I want to do, and then I'm going to get straight into it. The way that I like to pack in my cartoon characters is I like to colour block it first and then put in the details at the end. So that's what I'm going to do. And without further ado, let's get into it.
I got plans for overseas. Girl, quit that 9 to 5 and pack your bag, we about to leave. Don't worry about the price, I got the tickets and the visa. Just stop and grab the Fiji water, I got wraps and tree. And we gone, lost count of jets we been on. Don't know the airlines we flown. Passport stamp, she's marker, we gone. My weed been hitting that gym and watching that Billy Blank get strong. My baby call me up in Jersey, I move is lasting too long, too long. I'm pro, she chooses where we gon' go. White beaches looking like snow, sparkling water, nigga, we grown. I fantastic for her flame on, she love my Twitter bio thing on. Go Clark Kent and hit the payphone, seats on jet that got the remote.
I can tell that you're tired of working your damn job. So focused on that bag, you ain't have a chance to take no time off. So let me take you on a vacation. Let me take. Get you out of LA.
You ain't ever seen young get money like that. And if she never dreamed, then now cause she wanted this bad. Cause I've been on my grind. And I make sure she fine. Back to back shots, just tequila with a lime. And I ain't gotta worry cause I know that shorty mine. I be on my grind every day. Yeah, I be on my time every day. I don't wanna talk, but they know I'm not the one to play. I be on the beach in the shade, they don't want it. I be tryna tell her I be gone in the morning. I be tryna tell her that I'm grown, but she be on some pocket in the back, yeah. It be rockstars in the back, yeah. She could never live this life like you ain't never seen young get money like that. And if she never dreamed, then now cause she wanted this bad. Cause I've been on my grind. And I make sure she fine. Back to back shots, just tequila with a lime. And I ain't gotta worry cause I know that shorty mine. She ain't never seen it, I be living dream shit. She be on her scheming, and I be on my clean shit. No love, I swear to God, I ain't never fall in love or never ever trust her, but probably still gon' cut. And she want me to wait. I be on my way, talking out of state. She want me to say, pull up and let them up, there's no cut. You ain't never seen young get money like that. And if she never dreamed, then I'll cause she wanted this bad. Cause I've been on my grind. And I make sure she fine. Back to back shots, just tequila with a lime. And I ain't gotta worry cause I know that shorty mine. Yeah. All the hoes to the dance floor, got them like yeah. Now all my bros to the dance floor, I'll be a night rider, yeah. I'll be a night rider, yeah. Expensive taste, she like designer, yeah. All this paper need a binder, yeah.
As you can see, this is how they turned out. Now, in my opinion, they're two of the best games I've ever played. Two absolute classics to grow up on. Let me know what you guys thought were the absolute classics that you grew up on in the comments down below. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.